Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to change the skin size in OBS Studio. Whether you are trying to resize your display, capture game window or just fit your skin perfectly. Let's jump right in. First of all, we have to open up OBS Studio. Then here you can see on my skin. So on the left hand side you can see the scenes, then the source, audio mixer, scenes, transition and controls. First we have to create scenes option. Here you can see the plus icon on the down side. Then click the plus icon and create the scene's name. Then go to the source option and also say as it is. You can create the display capture or games capture. If you choose the display capture to record your full screen, or if you choose game capture to record a game window, give it a name and click OK. Now you will see the source added to the preview window. To change the skin size of source, click the sources in the preview window. You will see a red border around it and click and drag the corners or side to resize this skin. You can see this. Then hold shift button and while dragging to stretch it freely, this can destroy the aspect ratio. To automatically fit the source, right click the source and here you can see the options. Now you can scroll down and you can see this transform option and go to the fit to skin or use shortcut key Ctrl+F. Now this makes the skin feels the canvas without distortion. Sometimes the canvas size is the issue. To change that, go to settings option, then go to the video and here you can see this base canvas resolution 1920 into 1080, aspect ratio 16:9 and output is scaled resolution 1920 into 1080 and also aspect ratio is same 16:9. Then you can apply and OK, and that's it. You know now how to change the skin size in OBS Studio, whether by resizing, fitting or skin or adjusting the canvas resolution. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.